Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your English class. We are learning English tenses, and in that we have already learned about present tenses, and now we are doing past tenses. Today we shall study past perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's have the definition first. Past perfect progressive tense is used to describe an ongoing action that started in the past and continued for some time in past. It expresses continued nature of an action that started and stopped at some point in the past. And the sentence includes a time reference to show that when the action started in past or for how long the action was continued in past, which means past perfect continuous tense are the tenses which express as that an action had been done in the past, and time is also mentioned in the sentences. Okay, which means past perfect progressive वो टेंस होते हैं जो ये एक्सप्रेस करते हैं कि पास्ट टेंस में कोई एक्शन जारी था, किसी समय से जारी था और फिर उसी पास्ट टाइम पे वो एंड भी हुआ. ओके, तो टाइम को शो करने के लिए टाइम रेफरेंस का भी यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, फॉर टाइम रेफरेंस ऑफ द एक्शन टू स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स सिंस एंड फॉर आर यूज्ड इन द सेंटेंस. टाइम को शो करने के लिए सिंस एंड फॉर ये दोनों स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स का यूज़ करते हैं. द वर्ड सिंस इज यूज्ड इफ द एग्जैक्ट स्टार्टिंग टाइम, एग्जाम्पल फ्राइडे, सिंस 10 AM of the action is known or intended to be shown in the sentence. ओके, सिंस का यूज़ हम एग्जैक्ट टाइमिंग शो करने के लिए करते हैं, टू शो द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, एज लाइक फ्राइडे, सिंस 10 AM. Okay, so these are as like Friday, 10 AM, since morning. These are exact time, these are the point of time. Okay, the word for is used to express the amount of time, for example for 5 hours, for 9 months, for which the action was continued. and for का use हम period of time के लिए करते हैं, means लंबे समय के लिए करते हैं, point of time ना करके बल्कि ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. जैसे कि 5 आवर्स 5 घंटे, 9 मंथ्स फॉर 9 मंथ्स 9 महीनों से. सो वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट सिंस का यूज़ वी यूज़ टू शो द एग्जैक्ट टाइम, टू शो द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, एंड फॉर का यूज़ टू शो द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द टाइम फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके, नाउ let's see the sentence structure in past perfect continuous tense. We have main verb, present participle, base form verb plus ing. so मेन वर्ब के साथ वर्ब की ing फॉर्म का यूज़ करते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में. ओके, एंड द हेल्पिंग वर्ब और यू कैन से ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हैड बीन इज यूज्ड इन दिस टेंस. और आपकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है इस टेंस की? हैड बीन. ओके, हैड बीन इज यूज्ड विद बोथ द सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, let's first see the positive sentence structures. Okay, here we have subject plus had been plus ing form of verb plus object plus time reference. Okay, so according to the sentence structure, let's see the example. She had been watching the movie for 2 hours. She is singular subject here, and we used had been with both type of subjects, singular and plural. So the subject that she has come at the first place, then comes the verb, helping verb had been, then comes the main verb plus ing, that is watching, then comes the object, the movie, and then comes the time reference for 2 hours. She had been watching the movie for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से मूवी देख रही थी. विच मीन्स ऐसा एक्शन जो पास्ट टाइम में किसी टाइम पे शुरू हुआ था और पास्ट टाइम पे ही ख़त्म हो गया था. ओके, लेकिन वो किस टाइम पे शुरू हुआ और किस टाइम पे ख़त्म हुआ था, इसको शो करने के लिए टाइम रेफरेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. शी हैड बीन स्टडिंग इन दैट यूनिवर्सिटी सिंस 2008. वो 2008 से उस यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रही थी. ओके, दे वर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल सिंस 10 o'clock. वो 10 बजे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे, नॉट खेल रहे हैं. When we say they have been playing football since 10 o'clock, which means here we are talking about present tense. But when we say they were playing football or they had been working for a newspaper of 5 years, which means the action was done in the past. The action was progressive for a period of time, at this point of time in past time, and it was finished in the past time as well. Okay, another example, they had been running their business since 1987. She had been waiting for you since Wednesday. They had been studying for exam for 3 months. Okay, she had been teaching students since 23rd July 2006. So these all are example of positive sentences in past perfect continuous tense. Okay, remember that the helping verb of this tense is had been. Okay, then we use since and for to show time reference. Now let's see the negative sentence structure. First of all, we have subject plus had not been. Don't put not after had been. We have to put not between had and been. Okay, सब्जेक्ट सबसे पहले आएगा, उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड, देन वी यूज नॉट टू शो द negation. In negative sentences, had not, then comes been, had not been plus ing, verb की ing form, then plus object, then plus time reference. Okay, examples, they had not been doing their work since 2003. वे 2003 से अपना काम नहीं कर रहे थे. ओके, he had not been eating vegetables for 3 years. 3 सालों से वो सब्जियां नहीं खा रहा था. ओके, so here means whatever action is there, as like eating vegetables, doing the work, all these action was progressive at some point or at some point or for a period of time in past tense. Okay, she had not been cleaning her home since January 2013. Kid had not been drinking milk for 5 months. He had not taken medicine for 6 months. I had not been listening to music since Thursday. So these all are example of negative sentences. What is the sentence structure? The first of all, we have subject plus, then had, then not, plus been, plus ing, plus object, plus time reference. Okay, moving on to interrogative sentences. We have the structure as had plus subject plus been plus ing plus object plus time reference. Okay, for example, had they been working on their project since 2005? क्या 2005 से वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे? तो further examples as had she been waiting for her husband for 1 year? Had he been eating vegetable for 7 months? Had he been using the same car since 2004? Had I been using my camera since 15 September 2009? Okay, so I hope you have understood what is past perfect continuous tense, and try to do more and more practice, and I'll see you in next class. Thank you.